feel a well-designed curriculum that has both theoretical knowledge as well as hands-on practical skills. They give us a lot of resources, be it libraries or access to research publications, mentors. We have also been very privileged to be trained in specializations in hospitals such as obstetrics and gynecology, orthopedics, intensive care units and so on. The college also comes with a lot of labs, such as the community-based rehabilitation lab, the electrotherapy lab, where we have well-advanced modalities like a combination of laser and ultrasound.
We have a well set of dedicated faculty members, while there also are academic counselors and mentors.
I would say the different approach we take in this campus. We take a research-based, proven aspects of the studies. For example, evidence-based practice. When we treat patients, we use up-to-date research. We use protocols that have been certified and verified from international institutions.
There are various resources, like we have various labs like the neuro lab, the research lab, the community-based rehabilitation labs. We have a well-equipped library. All the labs are equipped with new modalities that are, I think, very important in a healthcare field, because it's important to stay updated. Like every day there's a new research happening and every day we're coming up with new equipments. So for example, the research lab has the skin fold calipers, which helps us measure the body fat composition, or we have the hand dynamometer, which helps in the hand grip strength measurement. So I feel like it's a great place to pursue academics and will definitely also help you with your personal growth.